Okay, as I mentioned in video number 2, I lost a lot of video cutting my burn chamber here. This hole here I cut with a 4-inch hole saw. It can be done. Be extremely careful. Wear your safety gear. That thing can bite when it's going through the metal. Use some heavy oil. I used marine gear oil for it. Still burned it up. So I use that. That's nice, pretty nice, wonderful hole, as you can see, you know. And or give me a second here. As you can see, that's a nice, clean, perfect hole. Now this one here, okay, is not so pretty and nice. Okay, I don't know what happened was, but it was cutting fine on the first one on my feed tube, which is this one here. All right. Okay, but then on the vertical riser for the center, it wasn't cutting so well, so I may have burned it up. Oh well. But I used a 4.5-inch grinder with angle grinder with a cutting wheel. Just cut a star pattern in it, and then slowly took out each sections, and then took my die grinder and ground around it. Safety note with that: make sure wear your safety gear, gloves, and everything like that. A lot of little tiny metal slivers did come out of it, as I don't know if you can make that out. Give me a sec here. Those little tiny buggers really will dig in on you. So there you go. Those are really tiny. Be really careful. You know, make sure you clean them up. Make sure you're wearing your safety glasses, everything like that. Because, no kidding, it would really suck to get one of those in your eye. And so on and so forth. So I'm going to tack weld this up and figure out something for the riser side. And go ahead and give her a shot. Okay, here's the pipe split. As you can see, if you look up there at the top, you can see the slit right there, just even with it. So came out really nice. And what I'll do is I'll spread that, and then I'll rotate it in this direction because of the way it's spread, because it'll ride on it, and then get it around to where I want it, and then fill in the gap. So there's that. So okay, I'll do my best to keep this steady. I'm just holding it by hand instead of on the tripod. This is what I found was the best way to spread this. Had a little trick. Took me not too long to figure out. I utilized those 4-inch vice grip welding clamps to prevent it from spinning. Then once I had those in there, or I started spreading it, and then once I could get those in there, I just held it from spinning with those. I tried a cargo strap. Worked, but not too well. This was the best thing. And then I just kept spreading it open. And so there it is, spread open. Now I get the fun job of spinning it. I'm going to put it on the pipe vise and see if I can hold that, my riser, and spin it. Good luck to me. So it's out here. I've had it running for about maybe 15-20 minutes. Give me a second here. As you can see, it's drafting. I don't have any smoke coming out, but all I did was I used some scrap stuff laying around the house just to close it up here at both ends. I didn't weld that up, and I didn't weld the vortex up. Give me a second. Let me climb up there and show you down it. I'm not actually getting flame all the way there, but I am getting quite a bit of heat out of it. Everything. Give me a second, and I'll show you that. If you see there, I don't have any smoke coming out, but a lot of heat. You can see the heat waves there against the tree, trying to give you something so you can kind of see the dissipation. So the next step I'm going to take is I'm going to put this inside the stainless steel. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put this inside the stainless steel tank. rig up an actual door over on this side. Probably stick with that tabs over here and just close that off, because I'm not going to weld everything up, because I was thinking about it, and getting the riser tube through the tank, the hot water tank, is going to be pretty fun. So I'm going to leave it just kind of like that for the time being. And I'm not sure if you can see that, but you can see all those little crystals here. It's right now it's 12:04. My phone says it's currently right now 30 degrees. I just did a test fire. I got it running. It's running fairly decent. I found that air intake on the bottom there is working better. Okay, I just came outside for a minute, and can't tell if you can see that there, but I do have it going all the way to the burn tube, or the riser tube. So what I did was I found, the reason I came out is I was checking on the dog, because it's chilly out here, making sure he was out in my shop. And hold on, make sure I can grab a hold of this. Found my oven thermometer, and I stuck it in the tube, and know if you can, it's been in there about 4 minutes, and it's about 325, and I just had it in there for 5 minutes. So I figure this will heat up some water. So sounds good. I just put a little bit more wood in there. You can really see it going up there to the riser tube now. So sorry about the foggy and the bad lighting. Like I said, it's 12 o'clock at night. It's now 12:10. Let me check the temperature again. So see, 10 minutes is up to 400 degrees. I don't really want hot boiling water, so this, youch, that was hot. Hot boiling water. I just want a slow, steady, but initially it's going to take a bit to get this up and running. So I think it's going to work out. We'll see.